Hello, I am Divya from Inspyr. Today I am going to speak about why business need Microsoft Clarity. Business may find Microsoft Clarity beneficially for several reasons. User behavior analysis. Clarity provides insights into how users interact with websites, including heat maps, sections recording, and click maps. These informations help business understand user behavior preference and main points. Optimization opportunity. By analyzing user behavior data, business can identify area for improvements on their websites. This can lead to optimization that enhance user experience, increase engagement, and ultimately drive conversions. A/B testing. Clarity offers A/B testing capacity, allowing business to experiment with different websites, visions, and determine which variants perform better based on user interactions. Page performance monitoring. Business can monitor the performance of individual web pages, identify slow loading pages, and optimize them to improve all over website speed and user experience. Data privacy and security. Microsoft Clarity data privacy and security, ensuring that user data is protected and compliant with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. This can be reassuring for business handling sensitive user information. Interact with other Microsoft services. Clarity seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft services like Power BI, Microsoft 365, providing an ecosystem for data analysis, visualization, and collaboration.